Well, here's a good old country trick that'll keep your taters and other root vegetables fresh for nearly a year or maybe. Now, it's not any rocket science. It's cheap, easy, and so simple a young'un can do it. But you don't need to dehydrate them or any of that fancy stuff. So that's all right too. This way it keeps them just like the good Lord made them, ready to mash and fry and toss into the stew, or even stick back in the ground to grow some more. Here's the beauty of that: when your taters keep whole, they're just not keeping food, you're keeping seed too. And that might be handy in times when it gets tough or when the grocery stores or shelves are bare. So you'll need a cardboard box, some good old dry dirt. Yep, that's it. And you get to play in the dirt as a bonus. But the store-bought taters, shoot, they start growing bad in a couple of weeks, and here's why. Plastic bags. They make the taters sweat, and that moisture starts to rot. They've been washed, and you grow them yourself. You leave that natural dirt on them, and the microbes are there, and that's what nature's preservative. So here's the fix. Take them taters out of the plastic bag as soon as you get home. Lay them out for a day or two to dry completely. No moisture on the skins. Put a layer of dirt in the bottom of the box and lay your taters on top of it, and then put a little dirt on top and just sprinkle enough to cover them or dust them good. That keeps a layer of those taters until the box is full, or maybe till you run out. Well, make sure your dirt's bone dry. If it's damp, spread it out in the sun for a day. The dirt keeps them separated, and so the rot can't spread, and it soaks up any stray moisture. So once you've done all this, close up the box and stash it in a cool, dark place. And when you need a tater, just dig one out and dust it off and give it a wash and cook it up. Those taters will last for months, maybe up to a year. So next time taters are on sale or in season, stock up. Don't let them go to waste in those old store bags. Get them out, get some dirt on them, and you'll be sitting pretty all year long. That's the country know-how, plain and simple. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, give me a thumbs up and drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe. I've got more updates coming your way, and this is Thoughts While Thinking, and these opinions are mine.